I look for businesses where I think I can see what they're going to look like in 10 or 15 or 20 years.
Hi, there's been a lot of discussion about how the information age is revolutionizing society. And I would like to get your opinion about which countries and industries and companies are best prepared to take advantage of these changes and what factors would account best for their success.
I didn't get it at first, but it's huge, and it will change the world, the technological revolution, in dramatic ways and quickly. Ironically, our approach to that is just the opposite of Bill's, but that his is the right one for the world. Ours is the right one for me. I look for businesses where I think I can see what they're going to look like in 10 or 15 or 20 years. We don't own any, but if you take Wrigley's chewing gum, I don't think the internet's going to affect how people chew gum. You know, and Bill probably does. I mean, but I don't think it's going to affect the fact that Coke will be the drink of preference and will gain in per capita consumption around the world. I don't think it'll change whether people shave or how they shave, or the fact that they like a better shaving system, as the Mach 3 is going to be very shortly, I might add. So we are looking for the very predictable, and you won't find the very predictable in what Bill does. You'll find the more exciting things, the things that are going to change society more. And so I have a little different opinion. As a member of society, I applaud what he's doing, and as an investor, I keep a wary eye on it. And that's, it's a different approach to investing. Most people think of that all as opportunity, and it has been opportunity. Every internet stock has gone crazy here in recent months, but I don't know how to look at one or the other and tell the winners.